Hello everybody, welcome back. This is the third lesson, Continents and Oceans. We are dealing with the book back question answers. Exercise A, match the columns. Large continent. The answer is Asia. Second, Atlas. Answer is C, a book of small maps. 3, North. The answer is E, top part of a map. 4, largest ocean. The answer is B, Pacific Ocean. Fifth one, globe. The answer is A, model of the earth. Exercise B, fill in the blanks using the words in the box. A dash is a drawing of a part of the earth. Answer is map. Second, areas of water smaller than oceans are called dash. Answer is seas. Third, the dash ocean is to the east of Africa. The answer is Indian. Fourth, dash is the smallest continent. Answer, Australia. Fifth one, North America is to the dash of Europe. The answer is west. Exercise C, answer the following questions. First one, what is a continent? Answer, a very large landmass is a continent. Second, what is an ocean? A very large water body is an ocean. Third one, why is a map more useful than a globe? Answer, a map can show many more specific details than a globe. It can be used to show a small part of the earth or the whole earth, depending on the requirements. Fourth one, how do we find directions on a map? Answer, there are 4 main directions. The top part of the map is the north and the bottom is the south. The east is to the right and the west is to the left. Fifth one, draw a compass and describe it. A compass is used to find the direction of a place. The needle of the compass always points to the north. Multiple choice questions. The smallest ocean in the world is options: the Pacific Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. The right answer is Arctic Ocean. Second, a book of map is called a or an. Options are a wall map, B, an atlas, C, globe. The right answer is atlas. Third one, the needle of a compass always points to the option A, north, option B, south, option C, east. The right answer is option A, north. Fourth one, a very large land masses are called option A, continents, option B, seas, option C, countries. The right answer is option A, continents. The fifth one, on maps, water bodies are shown in option A, green, option B, blue, option C, yellow. The right answer is option B, blue. That's the end of your book back question answers. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless.